welcome to Echo's Farm Day. There are tons of people all over the farm and it's a great turnout.
Hello. I bet your wife can make something like that.
Here is to take a tissue culture from the banana and to cut it into meristem tissue down the center. And that's the only way you get more banana plants is to do that.
Here in the Appropriate Technology Center for Farm Day 2014. This is the home of our alternative energies area.
Yeah, I like the pink one the best. We don't know what days they are, can we?
Come here, we're going back up there again.
Oh, yes.
Something flat and dry it. Now the information says to lay it out in the dark in a cool place.
Water you put in? A lot?
Yeah, no, just when I was writing.
You could add
when I was writing it for school project.
Your pH went way down?
Yeah.
Ah, look at that. They're made into little pots.
The local community might have. Because if they're dependent on some far-flung source for their food, and anything, whether it's a local disaster, whether it's a disruption, war, any kind of issues that might wipe out the roads or the transportation system, those people are stuck because they've been waiting to get their food from some other source.
Children are walking all around our garden and making these flowers made out of recycled bottles as an idea of how to reuse things we have as trash around our homes. And everything goes to educate people about world hunger and ways to reduce hunger and improve lives worldwide.
Turn and smile at me. Look at me and smile.